Welcome everyone to Katherine's Kitchen. Today we will be doing spinach rice. You will need 5 cups chopped spinach, 1 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon seasoning to go, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red pepper flake, 1 teaspoon fresh grated ginger, 1 teaspoon grated garlic, quarter cup of chopped onions, 3 pimento peppers sliced, 2 cups rice washed, 1 tablespoon oil, half cup chopped sweet peppers, 2 cups of water, and 1 cup coconut milk. Let's begin. So now we are about to get started. You are going to add oil to the pot. Allow it to get hot. You're going to add onion, garlic, ginger, sweet peppers, and the pimento. Next, you're going to add the spinach. You're going to allow this to saute for approximately 5 minutes. Now we are going to add our washed rice. You're going to add salt, red pepper flake, seasoning to go, and all-purpose seasoning. We are now going to add our water and our 1 cup of coconut milk. You are now going to cover your pot and allow your dish to simmer for approximately 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you are going to uncover your pot, stir your rice, leave your pot uncovered, and allow it to cook until all the liquid is dried out. Okay guys, now this is the spinach rice. You can serve it with anything you want. Fish, chicken, enjoy.